Have a good day, students. Welcome back to English Literature Class 1. I'm your teacher, Iram Samantha. Children, do you remember the story of the Balloon Man? Today we will continue the same story we have read on page number 20 and 21 in part 1. Let's recall the story. It will help you to understand part 2. He is a balloon man. He is selling different kinds of balloons. Children are looking at him because they want balloon. He is Asif, she is Tara, and she is Sana. Balloon man give them different kinds of balloon. Children are so happy now. But he said, I will make something for you, and he takes back their balloons and told them to count 1 till 10. Okay, children, start counting 1 till 10. You all are wondering that what he will going to make with these balloons. Can you guess what's happened in the story next? For this, we have to open our books at page number 22 and 23. Before you start reading, first learn these new words. It will help you in reading. Turns, Turns, turns. Back, Back, back. Clever, Clever, clever. Works hard, Works, works. Hard, hard. Works hard. Shows, Shows, shows. Laughs, Laughs, laughs. Funny, Funny, funny. Animals, Animals, animals. Cannot, can, not, not, cannot. Making, Making, making. Let's repeat these words. Turns, back, clever, works hard, shows, laughs, funny, animals, cannot, making. Okay, children, let's start reading from page number 22. Keep your finger on the first word and keep on moving as I read. The balloon man turns his back. He works hard. The children count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asif, Tara, and Sana cannot see what the balloons man is making. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The balloon man turns. Look at here, children are wondering what he going to do. Turn your page. Ho, 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 say the balloon man. Look at this. The balloon man showed them a funny animal. It is red and blue and green. You are clever, Balloon Man, says Asif. Yes, you are very clever, says Tara. Can you make two more? Says Sana. The Balloon Man laughs. Okay, it is end of our reading. Let's start explanation of this lesson. Okay, as you all know, it is the story of a balloon man. A balloon man is a man who's selling balloons, and he is a balloon man. Okay, children likes balloons very much, and they are standing and looking at him. The balloon man are given them some balloons. Balloons are light and soft and easy to carry. So these three children, Asif, Sana and Tara, wants balloon. So balloon man give them different colors of balloons. Now they are very happy. Then he take back their balloon because he is going to make something from it. He told them, count till 10, and he turns back. Turns back mean children are can't able to see what he going to do. Now these three children start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But they cannot see anything because he turns back. Again they start counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and waiting for him to show what he makes. The balloon man says, ho ho ho, it's a funny animal. It's a funny animal, and children are also very happy and they are laughing. Asif, Sana and Tara are so excited and happy. Tara said, you are clever, Balloon Man. Balloon Man, give that balloon to Asif. Sana requested him to make 2 more balloons for Tara and for her. And Balloon Man started laughing. And children are also very happy. This is a happy ending of this story. Okay. These are different kinds of things made with of balloons, like butterfly. It's look like a dog. These bears and many other things also. Okay. When and where do we see balloons? Children blow it and then they burst it. Here they blow it and burst it, and they feel enjoyment in it. They like to play with balloons and they like to fly them in the air. And look at this picture. These children are playing with different kinds of game with these balloons and enjoying it. They look very happy and excited. These are different kinds of game children used to play with balloons. Okay, where we use balloons? We use balloon for decoration at birthday party. Look at this is the picture of a birthday party. When we celebrate birthday, we decorate our homes and walls with these balloons. And this is a wedding party. Here people also decorate their walls with balloons. because it is a sign of happiness. Okay, now it's time. Words meaning of these lesson, the balloon man. The first word is huge. Huge mean very big. Repeat after me. Huge. 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 Very big. Funny. Funny mean enjoyable. Funny mean enjoyable. Okay, third word is clever. Quick learner. Clever, we use word clever for quick learner. Works hard. Puts more effort. Works hard. Puts more effort. Here this word used for works hard for a balloon man. He had put more effort and make some kind of animal with that balloon. Turns. Move in a circular. Turns mean sometimes we use this word turns back. Turn your page mean to turn it. Again we repeat these words: huge, very big, funny, enjoyable, clever, quick learner, works hard, puts more effort, turns, move in a circular. Okay, as you know, our lesson is finished. Now I am giving you some home task to do. Write down these words meaning which I had read now, and these question answers do in your English literature copy. The first question: when and where do we see balloons? When and where do we see balloons? Balloons are sign of happiness. When we celebrate something, we decorate with balloons at birthday parties, on weddings, and use them for playing also. This question: why does Sarah ask the balloon man to make 2 more things from balloons? Because the balloon man had given that balloon to Asif, and now Tara and Sana have nothing to play. So she asked balloon man to make 2 more things for them. Which things did balloon man make from balloons? He make a funny animal. What he makes? He makes a funny animal. Draw 2 things that you can make using colorful balloons. I had shown you many things which are made up of balloons. Now it's up to you what you can draw here. Okay, here are some rhyming words. Give the rhyming words of the following words. For example, man, van, pan, can. Same sound. These are called rhyming words. Or long, song, tong, wrong. These are examples. Here one word I had given you and one more word you have to make. Big, dig. Small, tall. Thick, stick. Red, bed. 10, hen. Clever, never. Turns, burn. Look, took. Blue, glue. Funny, honey. Okay, note the following instruction. Any home task or activity given to you, do it in your English literature copy. When you resume your classes, mark will be given on the basis of home task and activities. Okay children, it's time to say goodbye. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.